Okay, so today we are going to be making some pancakes. It's really easy if you want to go above and beyond to get the most healthiest pancake you can to just Google whole food plant-based pancake recipe. I really wanted to go for ease so that you can just grab something quick and make it quickly. There are a ton of blender waffle and pancake recipes that are really healthy if you want to go that route. This is also healthy, it's just more convenient. So this brand of Krusty's pancakes actually just contains wheat and soy. And so I just use this, just kind of add water to your desired consistency. For extra credit, I put oats in my batter. If you don't like the texture of oats in your pancakes, you can just blend them up in the blender and just get that extra boost of added fiber. We also really love just kind of mashing up a banana and putting it into the batter, and then my kids love pumpkin pie spice again. We're a big fan of that in our breakfast foods. This should do it. So I'm gonna mix all this stuff up and we'll start cooking. I already have my griddle ready to go. You're gonna wanna make about, I don't know, 10 to 12 pancakes to last you for the week. So let's get going on that. So I like my pancakes to have kind of a runny consistency, not super thick, so that they're easy to pour. If you have a non-stick griddle, then you don't need to put any pan, but mine's getting old. I do about 1/3 of a cup per pancake. You will repeat this process with all of your batter until you have some nice good stacks of pancakes, and then I like to serve it with peanut butter, this berry sauce I'm about to show you how to make, and we also love to add coconut whip for an added treat. So let's move on to those steps. Okay, while our pancakes are cooking up and they're making good progress, we're gonna hurry and make our berry sauce. This is what I use to replace syrup. It's sweet, it's full of fiber, and it's delicious. So I usually buy medjool dates from the store, get the pit out of them, and then just put them in a freezer, in a bag in the freezer, so that when I need something sweet but I want it to be whole food, I can just grab these out and use them. You can soften them up in some warm water before you use them in like baking and things like that. Right now, I'm gonna use some warm water for all of this, so I just stuck them in frozen. You can use any kind of berries, just plain strawberries or plain blueberries. I love this berry blend, so I'm gonna put some of this in. I don't know, a cup of berries. And then I always love to add pineapple because I just feel like it gives it a good citrusy flavor. So we're gonna put a little bit of pineapple chunks in there. And then I always also freeze my overly ripe bananas for sweetness as well. So I'm just gonna pour some hot water over this to kind of let it melt a little bit. I did about half a cup. We're gonna let that sit for just a second, and then we're gonna blend it right up. Before I blend, I'm gonna put just a little, I don't know, maybe like a teaspoon of lemon juice. I just feel like it really brightens the flavor and just makes it taste really yummy and fresh. So again, I'm gonna be using my whole food blending option. And that will just give you a nice good sauce. You'll see when it's all plated. It can have a tendency to kind of thin out as it's sitting in your fridge. Just give it another stir and it kind of becomes a really yummy pourable drizzle that you can put over your pancakes. All right, we've got our pancakes ready to go. I like to put just a thin layer of peanut butter on my pancakes. Just kind of gives you that, I don't know, little extra fat, little extra fiber. If you're trying to go really, really low fat for heart health and lowering cholesterol, then you can skip this step. And here is that yummy berry sauce. Just kind of spread it on there. This tastes so good. Now you're ready to go. If you love the thought of a warm berry sauce, kind of like a warmed syrup, you can definitely heat this up in a microwave safe bowl and drizzle it over the top as well. This is what my kids love to add to make it a special treat for them. I usually avoid this unless it's a special occasion. It is non-dairy, but you know, it's still highly processed. But it is a really yummy alternative to Cool Whip. So watch for that in your grocery store. All right, enjoy your breakfast.